Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is this interesting beetroot cutlet, or we call it beetroot patties, and it is a very delicious healthy combination of beets, potatoes and many more vegetables. It's mainly a vegetable medley and you can enjoy this as a starter, appetizer, or you can use it as a patties for a burger and a perfect vegetarian dish. So here I'm going to share with you the vegetables that I'm going to take for this recipe. Here I've taken one whole onion, 2 carrots, ginger garlic, I will coarsely crush it, and 1 green chilli which we will slit and cut it into small pieces. 2 beets I've taken and used the grater to grate it like this. Even the carrot is grated. 2 carrots. Here I've taken green beans, a bunch of green beans, cilantro, and 4 boiled potatoes. Now in a pan, we will take 1 tablespoon oil. Add all the veggies here. This is just to blend all the spices and the veggies, although this will be cooked in the air fryer, but I am doing it in a different way, like we're going to do the breading also for this. So for that we are just cooking all the veggies for just 5 minutes. Mix all the veggies together. The raw smell of the onion will go, the beets and the carrots will cook properly, the ginger garlic will mix, and that raw smell from the garlic will also go once it starts cooking in the heat. Give it a good mix. Cook this in medium heat. Make sure we don't overcook these veggies because we just have to cook it for 5 minutes in medium heat. Add the green beans. I'm adding the spices here: turmeric powder, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of each. I will mention each and every ingredient used here in the description below. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, that's a coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt per taste. Mix everything well. 1 teaspoon of allspice, or we call it garam masala. You can add your favorite seasoning. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Finally we add cilantro. Give it a good mix. Next we add the boiled potatoes to the mixed veggies and the spices and mix everything well together. How colorful they are. Is it? Transfer it. Now the veggies are cooked. Next, for the cutlet or the patties, we will transfer the cooked veggies in a bowl. Next, in an empty plate, I'm going to take breadcrumbs, or you can take Panko bread powder, 1 cup. I'll mention the ingredients, everything in the description below, so you can, after the video, refer to it. Next, I'm taking a mold like this. It's optional. You can just use your hands to make a round shape also. So here I've taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour and added half cup water to make a thick paste. Dip this in the all-purpose slurry that we made. Next, in the bread powder. Next we add oil on top of this patty or cutlets, on top of it like this. And it's all ready to be air fried. We will set the air fryer at 375°F for 10 minutes. Just to make the outer layer crispier, we will do it for 10 minutes. Air fried beetroot mixed veggie cutlet is ready and it's ready to be served and enjoyed. I hope you're enjoying my video recipe. And I would like to thank you everyone for showering so much of love for the recipe I shared last, that is French fries. I shared a very useful tip that we need not do any soaking the potatoes. I will mention the link to French fries that we can make in air fryer in the description below. Also, there are many other air fryer recipes that I have created in this channel. I will share the playlist below, so you can also check them out. I hope you're enjoying all the video recipes I'm sharing with you. If you really like it, please do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon. See you with another next interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care.